Gateway and Long Beach Memorial. We love you!
I'm here at Memorial Hospital in Long Beach, and those trainees you just saw are recent graduates of a new program that is helping put people to work right here in our very own community. Recently, the Pacific Gateway Workforce Investment Network teamed up with Long Beach Memorial Hospital to design, develop, and implement a customized training program for patient care assistants, one of the fastest growing positions in the healthcare industry today.
We have been in partnership with Pacific Gateway, formerly known as the Workforce Development Board of Long Beach, since 2002 in partnership to develop more nurses for the community. This was just another example of us working together to address healthcare shortages in the hospital. It's a partnership, though. We've had great preparation by Pacific Gateway of their staff getting the right people to us so that we could make really good choices about the students that came into this program. But I can't say enough about what they did on the front end to make sure that they were ready for us as an employer to meet these prospective students. I am thrilled with the outcome of this first class. I mean, they're enthusiastic, they're excited about working, they're excited about being here, and the feedback that we've had from both the nursing staff and patients has been completely positive. So I'm expecting the best from them, and I think that they are going to provide it for our patients.
Let's find out a little bit more about the healthcare industry and why experts say that 20% of all the new jobs created between now and 2014 will be in healthcare. I'm here with Casey Nash, board manager of Pacific Gateway. Casey, can you tell me about the demand for the healthcare professionals in the labor market today, or maybe within the next few years?
Well, there are tremendous opportunities in the healthcare sector. According to the California Employment Development Department, there's over 250,000 jobs expected to be added in the next few years. And in Los Angeles County alone, over 69,000 jobs will be added.
What are some of the specific jobs in healthcare that are in demand right now?
Well, they're numerous, and they range from registered nurses to paramedics, emergency medical technicians, pharmacy technicians, and other allied healthcare professions.
I see that some people are crossing over into the healthcare programs now. Do you think that this is a good benefit for people who have been from receptionists to data entry to even lawyer assistants?
Well, I think so, again, because the healthcare sector offers stable employment. It's of vital importance to our regional economy, and there's the public health issue as well. So it's very attractive as a place for employment.
Thank you, Casey, for taking the time to talk to me today.
My pleasure.
Great. So now we know there are jobs and training programs specifically geared for employment in the healthcare industry. But getting back to the program for the patient's care assistants, what is the job like and what is the training like? And more importantly, what kind of skills are required? To tell us all about it are the very people who participated in the program at Long Beach Memorial Hospital.
Patient care assisting is a program where you take care of elderly, and I know we all have parents and brothers and sisters that need care, medical care, and I think it's a great program. There'll always be opportunities for this program.
I started this process by going to Pacific Gateway in Long Beach. It's a center where they look for employment, and they had this patient care assistant program, which is through Long Beach Memorial Hospital.
I love the job. I love working with patients.
We will be working for Long Beach Memorial Hospital.
During the 6-week training program, students complete 240 hours of classroom and clinical training. One of the most innovative techniques employed is the hands-on training that takes place in an incredible high-tech simulation lab, where trainees learn to handle every possible scenario, from handling a patient complaint to saving a life, truly putting them to the test.
In the simulation lab, our nursing students come in and they experience a simulation with our simulators. I run the simulator with a computer, And we set it up so that it runs a specific simulation, like maybe a blood transfusion reaction. And the students have to take care of the patient and get through the simulation. Well, it gives them the hands-on in a controlled environment and a safe environment, and allows them to learn as they're moving along.
The results of training like this are obvious.
I have to say I have been so impressed with these, the first group, that I actually ran to the computer and put in 6 positions so I could hire them. I was so impressed with their performance. They have won the nurses over, the nurses' aides. It's been great, and they have been wonderful to the patients.
Working with the trainees has been wonderful. It's so nice to have a nurse's aide that is willing to take care of the patients and does a good job. If you've got a good nurse's aide, it makes your job very much easier.
This program sets it up for a lot less problems because everybody's familiar with their surroundings, therefore they ask less questions, and everything runs a lot smoother because they're familiar and comfortable with everything.
As I'm seeing patients at bedside, I'll have them come in and work with me and work with the patient, so they've been very attentive and very motivated.
They are all hired. They have jobs to come to, and we're excited, and we can't wait to have them on board.
This Patient Care Assistant Program is just one of numerous training programs that the Pacific Gateway Workforce Investment Network is providing at no cost, thanks to the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act. So if you or anyone you know is looking for work or training for a new career, please visit any of the centers or call